Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1972 Ford Mustang, true Mach 1, guys. Pretty car, man. I bought a buddy of mine out of North Carolina is the one who found this car for me. Great car. I like this body style. I think it's an underrated body style. And I think when they're done right, I think these cars really look good. Pretty color combo. This isn't the original color. I think light pewter, if I remember right, was the original color. This is a medium green metallic, and they put a little pearl in it. You don't know how bad I wish the sun was shining right now, because this thing just pops. This color just jumps off this car. It is an original Mach 1. We do have a Marti Report for it. We also have the original window sticker for it. And a neat car. Runs and drives excellent. Good solid body. I like it. Got a good look to it. Car runs out good. Drives good. It's got the Magnum 500s with the Cooper Cobras all the way around it. It's a factory Ram Air car, Cobra Jet car. It's a neat car. Really dig it. And like I say, a fun car to go bang the gears. Got a real good look to it. It's got the front and rear spoilers on it. Again, it does have the Ram Air hood. The only thing I thought about doing was putting the rear window slots on it, but you know, it didn't come with them. You see, it's got a couple little touch-up marks on it. Sorry, that's just a few little things you can nitpick on it, and you can nitpick them all, guys. That front bumper's in real good shape. It's got one little crack on it that I seen. This is a pretty color, man. It really, like I said, I wish we had some sunshine, because it really pops. Good color. The dash is nice. Glass is good on the car. A couple little scratches you can see in it. It's got the fold down rear seat. And again, I thought that back glass is really nice, but I thought about putting the rear window slats on it, but it does make it hard to see out of the back window, so I just kind of left it alone. Again, it is a true Mach. It's got all the Mach striping and everything like it should. 15-inch Magnum 500s. Man, I keep hoping that doggone sun's going to pop out. It's threatening to. Crummy day today, man. Where's our nice weather? I mean, it's legit cold out here today. Does have the Magnum 500s. It's my favorite wheel for a Ford. Front disc brakes. It's got the dual sport body color mirrors. Factory 351 Cleveland, factory Q code car, guys. I can't get to the back and see if it's got the VIN on the back of the block. You know, you just can't get to it without pulling out the motor. So I can't tell you if it's a matching numbers engine. Holley 4-barrel, stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds. You can see it does have the Ram Air hood, power steering, power front disc brakes, 4-speed manual trans. Good looking car, man. Detailed up nice. We have the original Marti Report. We've got a Marti Report, an original window sticker, the original door tag still in the door. Good looking car, man. I like it, man. This thing just jumps out to me. And say, I'm a fan of this body style. I really like it. It's a little, I'm 6'2", so it's got a little more room in them than the earlier ones. Cracks in the paint there. Original Ford glass. It's got your original door tag. Bucket seats console. It's got the factory Hurst shifter in it. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Again, fold down rear seat. It's got a little crack in that doggone soap dish. I'll order a new one of those. Factory dash, factory tacking gauges. 62,000. That's supposed to be the original miles on it. Factory AM radio, AM FM. It does power up, but we didn't get any. Weren't getting any sound on it. Flowmaster dual exhaust, 9-inch Ford rear end. It's got the 350 rear gear. Again, there's your original window sticker and the Marti Report. I dig this body style, man. Like I say, when they're done right, I think they look great. Car's clean underneath. Got the Mustang floor mats. Nathan, go ahead and fire it up here. Again, it's got the dual mirrors. Good running 351, guys. Bang my head on the hood. If I'm good enough to do this one-handed. Oh man, I got it. Factory tack works. Your gauges are functional. Parking brake does work. We've got a reverse bulb out. We'll check that. Yeah, we're gonna have to check on there. I don't. We're getting power on the radio. Not sure on the blower motor. We're gonna have to check that too. Doors open and close good. Nathan said no on the wipers too, so we'll check those. I know this thing works. Ha ha! The magic touch. Yeah, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. Should be a button right now that you can click on. That way you can get a notification every time I post one of these. Or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call. Have a great day, guys.